Northumbrian Water goes to great lengths to ensure the water that reaches your taps is of excellent quality and purity and that it is safe to drink. On rare occasions, you may notice there's some discoloration in the water, or it's not up to its usually high standards. If you notice your water is a cloudy white colour, like this, leave the glass on the side for a few minutes. It'll clear on its own. The milky white discoloration is actually only tiny air bubbles trapped in the water, which are usually a result of maintenance on a line somewhere nearby. If the water doesn't start to clear after 10 to 15 minutes, call us for further information. The problem should remedy itself. The important thing to remember is it's safe to drink. If when you turn on the tap you notice a discoloration in the water supply, like this, leave the glass on the side for a few minutes. This discoloration is caused by harmless sediment that's been disturbed in the pipeline. After a few minutes, you should notice that the water is clearer and the sediment has settled to the bottom. Run your tap for a few minutes until it runs clear, and then check the quality again. Repeat the process as necessary. If the water running out of the taps is discoloured and at a low pressure, there is probably maintenance on a line somewhere nearby. In an emergency, regardless of the weather, our teams of distribution technicians will try to restore supply as quickly as possible. On any scheduled maintenance that we perform, we'll inform you by post ahead of time if we believe the works will affect you. Maintenance works on a pipeline can cause the pressure to drop, allowing the sediment to rise. Other causes can be a burst water pipe, or on some occasions the fire service if they need to draw large amounts of water for their needs. The water is safe to drink, but we do advise customers to stop using services such as washing machines and dishwashers. It's often very quick to remedy and sometimes just as simple as running the tap. If you need to run the tap to clear the discoloration and you have a water meter, call us. We may be able to apply an allowance to your water bill. If the water colour seems fine, but you've noticed flakes or particles suspended in the water, or if you've noticed an unusual taste, remove any nozzles on the taps and clean the end of the tap with a cotton bud. Flush the tap through and recheck the water quality. Continued appearance of particles in the water supply may be as a result of installations or maintenance of pipework nearby, or there may be an indicator of more serious problems such as old lead pipes degrading. Call us if you suspect that any of these apply to you. We will come out and inspect the pipework and the water supply up to the boundary of your property using our own equipment. We may check for lead in the water originating from pipes inside your house and will advise you on what we find. Black or grey, whisper-thin flakes are a sign of biofilm. This film is usually found on an area that is subjected to prolonged moisture. It's not usually found on taps that are in regular use or on the hot tap, as the temperature is usually enough to kill the bacteria. The most common area for algae to build up are the attachment nozzles fitted to taps. However, regular cleaning should prevent any build-up. If you notice a fuel-like or an oily taste in the water, or an oily film on the surface of the water, report it to us immediately. This could indicate a possible contaminant entering the pipeline or the degradation of a pipe. In cases such as these, we advise customers to drink bottled water until they've contacted us for assistance. If you'd like to know more about any of the issues that could arise with your tap water, please choose one of the following options.